Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Bask Bank app. So let's get started. So to download and install the Bask Bank app, you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, just go to your Google Play Store if you are an Android user. If you are an iOS user, you should must use your your Apple Store. Go to here at the search bar and search for the Bask Bank app. Okay, so from here you can see, so just click on this app. So it's not available in my region, so you can just go click on this install button and it will automatically download and install the app. And you can scroll down, you can also see for the reviews and you can give your review as well from here. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.